What's up guys, How2Toby here, and in today's video I'm going to teach you the next step of how to use a hoverboard. This week we are going to focus on simple movements like going forwards and backwards. Right then, let's get on with the instructions. But first, for the whole of this video, I would like you to have two adults or friends to hold on to you because this can be tricky at first. Number 1, going forwards. To go forwards, you need to lean forwards a tiny bit and you will find the hoverboard moves forward slowly. Now for the next instruction. Number 2, going backwards. Going backwards is almost the same as going forwards, except you go backwards a tiny bit instead of forwards a tiny bit. Now you know how to go forwards and backwards on a hoverboard. We'll also show you a dance move, which will use the techniques we've just used. And it will also help with a secret surprise at the end of the series. Then, here's the dance move. I call it the wobble. To do the wobble, you need to go backwards, forwards, speeding up the process until it looks a bit like this. Forward, backward, 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 forward. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I'm out.